Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. Earn online by referring products on your blogs or YouTube channel. Now first of all subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon. You never miss any update from our channel. And now let's get started with how to make money on blog or YouTube. How to monetize blog in 2022. How to monetize blog in 2022. 13 profitable ways. In a hurry, save this article as PDF. See how can stop products takes in 2022. Table of content. When should you start monetize your blog? Become a freelance blogger on YouTube. How to make money on YouTube in 2022. 13 profitable ideas. Your channel has got in. This is really amazing. Join the YouTube Partner Program. If you are wondering how to make money on YouTube, this is the most common answer. The concept is pretty simple. You join the YouTube Partner Programs and earn revenue through video ads that show before, during, on, or after your videos. Your consent to run YouTube ads before, during, or after your videos. Then you get to choose what type of ad placement you are comfortable with. Press view button and Google Docs. How to get started? Save and start a YouTube channel. It's safe to say that get many views on YouTube when you need to channel start. Create a YouTube video. The next step in a YouTube channel is click YouTube Studio and login, then create content that YouTube creates. Meet the YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements. While YouTube formerly allowed any channel to join its partnership program, right after it started, people began to abuse the system. As a result, the platform had to change things to ensure the channels were legitimate. Continue making content and don't violate YouTube guidelines. Once your channel grows, when you are making money, the sky becomes the limit for your channel. You mustn't violate any of YouTube community guidelines related to spam, deception, sensitive content, banner ads. Hope you like our video, subscribe our channel and press bell notification icon. You never miss any update from our channel. And thanks for watching. We will meet again. Thanks for watching.